If you'd have told me a year ago that there is a window film or a film that goes on the exterior part of the windshield and you could actually install it in 5 minutes and have protection from rocks, chips, I would have told you, get the fuck out of here. Today it is a reality. First ever at my shop installed exterior rock and chip prevention film, one piece, no shrinking, and yes, all the way to the edge. Oh, we can see it all the way to the edge, kind of like when you're doing shaving a glass. All the way to the edge, and of course there it went. It is very, very, very aggressive on the adhesive, so installing it is, you know, when you know, you know. So let me just finish this top cut right here, all the way down here, and it'll be done. $4.95 bagged. You know, well, there's other things that I had to do. These things right here I couldn't remove because I don't have one of those extractors, so I used a window film piece on the bottom like a windshield strip, and I cut on the glass. So what I did, I made a pattern on the bottom that goes pretty much like that, and it mimics the bottom part of the Tesla Model 3 windshield. And then I put the piece here and pre-cut that, put that in here, slid it all the way down, and just did it like 1/8 of an inch so I could shave it, and I did. And right here, of course, I have to, this excess of 2 inches, and then I just take her all the way to the top. The biggest challenge besides that is that these films, if you move them, touch them, fuck with them, do anything, breathe on them, they'll have chicken skin wherever, somewhere. This one did not get any because I already had 2 friends of mine collab and show me their installs in private groups. And pretty much what you do for a PPF install, slip solution you do for this one, and should turn out, if you do your lay with enough juice, you know, spread it real quick without touching the film, just pulling on the ears, ear, 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 and lock, ear and lock, ear and lock, ear and lock, ear and lock. Grab by the ear and lock it, pull, lock, and then just go ahead and do nice massage straight, not massage, sorry, just the squeegee all the way up and down. This has PPF, that's why my squeegee is there. And of course, that's the Torx 2 by Dirty Tools used for the application. I'm ecstatic, I'm almost done. I just completed it because my guys were here to help me. Yesterday was windy, today is not windy, so we're able to do that. I'm a little leery of contamination. I have it open because the guys are in lunch and they barely went to lunch, and I'm done here. This is next, which is fucking cake. Everything else is done, full frontal. Guys, have an awesome day.